Tired of running out of arrows or struggling to light fires in Minecraft? Then you've come to the right place, because today, we are diving into the quickest ways to get your hands on that precious resource flint. Flint is primarily obtained by mining gravel, but not every gravel block will drop it. You'll want to find a sizable gravel deposit, often found near bodies of water, in caves, or in riverbeds. Equip yourself with a shovel. Any type will do, but a shovel with efficiency enchantment will dramatically speed up your gravel mining. Each gravel block mined has roughly a 10% chance of dropping flint. While that might sound low, there are ways to improve your odds. First, fortune enchantments on your shovel do not increase the drop rate of flint. It's all about volume. Focus on areas rich in gravel. Rivers are your best bet, as they often have extensive gravel beds. Beaches and caves are also worth checking out. Strip mining large areas of gravel is the most straightforward approach. For a more automated approach, consider using pistons. Set up a system where pistons break gravel blocks, and hoppers collect the drops. This allows you to AFK farm flint while you do other things. Finally, don't forget villagers. Villagers will sometimes trade emeralds for flint, providing a reliable, although potentially expensive, source if you have a surplus of emeralds. So, there you have it. Whether you prefer the manual method of shovel mining or the automated piston farm, you're now equipped to efficiently gather flint. Now you can craft plenty of arrows and always have a reliable way to start a fire. Happy crafting!